Hey everybody, Quilting Marine here. So we're doing an update of an update, maybe of an update. So we finished our shadow block quilt. All right, my wife loves it. I just wanted to show you the finished product because we might have maybe skipped a couple steps or two. But this is the shadow block quilt. We hold it up here. So we got it done. Then I gave it to the wife, and then I kept it moving. So I wanted to keep on going. Oh, here's the other side. My wife's coaching me from behind the camera. All right, so moving on. So I wanted to do kind of a masculine quilt a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna do a t-shirt quilt, and I'm using like all my old t-shirts. Some are not that old, all right? And then kind of, my wife's like, are you using your shirts? All right, so I had to come up with a count, and I needed about 40 shirts to do a nice size t-shirt quilt. Because you know, t-shirt quilts are usually kind of light, they're not heavy. I'm usually doing heavier quilts, you know, winter-born quilts and stuff like that for, you know, like a quilt, like a quilt that you can use that you know is going to keep you warm. So doing a t-shirt quilt's kind of outside of my zone a little bit in the weight factor of it. I like quilts that when you put them on, they weigh you to the ground. Excuse the noise, that's Mellow and Gunner. They're wrestling right now. Okay, so anyway, so the t-shirt quilt thing, we're going to move forward on that, but first I have to tell you something. I've been having an affair. And it's been a secret love. And this is very serious for me. But her name is Bernina Q20. I'm in love. I don't want my brother to find out. But they have a quilt machine, a sit-down machine called the Bernina Q20. Oh my God, this machine is amazing. So they have it on display at a store. And I've been sneaking there at work. I pull up, I've been sneaking in, jumping on it, and the lady's like, you know, she's looking at me like, this guy's stalking a machine. Have you seen this machine? The Bernina Q20. And they had a 16 there, but the Bernina Q20, oh my God, this machine is so awesome. So I've been going there, sneaking there. I've been telling my wife I'm going to the store when I'm going to see the Bernina. This machine is amazing. So, but you know, it doesn't have an amazing price tag on it. So I've been having an affair with this machine. I've been like putting blocks together on like a test machine. People like waiting to get on it. And I'm like, you know, go find something else. Or I'm having a moment with this machine. This machine is so amazing. And it's a sit down. It has a 20-inch throat. It acts like a free motion. Oh my! It's just amazing. You thread it from the sit down from your position in front of it. I'm like blown away. But you know the price tag is like so it's out of control. So I've been taking advantage of every moment I could with this machine. I know I'm probably overspeaking it, but it's like this machine is look. All right, go on your computer and pull up Bernina Q16 or the Q20. Sexy, so sexy. I'm in love. I'm really in love. But, you know, I don't want my brother to find out that I'm having an affair, okay? I still like my brother. I'm committed to my brother, you know? But the Bernina is like, all right, so anyway, let's go on. So, yes, I've been having an affair with the Bernina. That machine is so amazing. I'm blown away by it. All right, so when building a t-shirt quilt, all right, t-shirts are so light, right? So a t-shirt is like light. So if you try to like stitch a bunch of this together, especially t-shirts that you've used and you've worn, they're gonna be ultra thin. So you need to put something on them to stiffen them up a little bit, okay? And I haven't decided what I'm gonna border with, but I think I'm gonna use the state fabric to border with. I'm thinking. All right. So the whole this quilt is a masculine quilt. Okay, so we're going with. I don't know if I'm gonna go with my Marpat. You guys know I'm in love with Marpat. I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided, okay? But, so right now I'm just cutting shirts, okay? Just cutting shirts, trying to find t-shirts. I was gonna go with all black t-shirts, but I didn't, I have a bunch of black t-shirts, but I didn't have that many black t-shirts. So right now I'm looking for t-shirts. So I'm sneaking around the house, grabbing t-shirts. If my son leaves a t-shirt out, I'm gonna snatch it, so I need to build up my stockpile. But today we're gonna go out to Goodwill, go see what kind of t-shirts they got there, and see if they got some color to add up my stockpile. Because I need about 40 t-shirts to build a t-shirt quilt that's about maybe 60, in the 60 range width-wise, and about 70 lengthwise. So, because I'm cutting them in a pattern. I'm not just cutting out the logo itself, right? So I'm using a template that's 14 this way and 14 and a half this way to not only get the logo, but get a little space around the logo too, okay? And once we get those together, I'm going to show you what I use for the media on the back of the t-shirt. All right, so this is kind of like a hodgepodge video just to catch up, to let you guys know that I'm still alive. I've just been having an affair lately. And outside of that, we're going to move on, okay? We're doing a man's quilt, okay? Don't be offended, all right? I'm a 60s baby, so don't be offended, all right? It's a guy's quilt, all right? So once we move on we're going to move on when we come back, and then we'll show you the technique that we use in putting together the t-shirt quilt. But until then, pull up the Bernina Q16. And don't tell anybody I sent you, all right? That's my girlfriend, not yours, all right? So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.